Hey guys, just want to share with you something. I don't remember whose YouTube channel I saw this on, but I just wanted to show someone else. If you have old tires on rims that need basically a brake dust taken off it, these are my summer tires, and I just put my winters on. I just looked at these and they were disgusting. So looked up on the internet. This stuff is industrial cleaner and greaser. This is a concentrated formula, but I'm using it at full strength. I don't know if you can cut it or not, because why cut it if it works? I've just put it inside of a squeeze bottle, and unbelievable how well this stuff works. I'm just going to basically spray the entire tire down. All over everything. Like I said, I'm not going to cut this video. All you guys, you just have to watch me do a couple things. But some on the tire, clean it up, and basically I just have like a dish brush used for cleaning dishes. But just this sitting on there for that long, you can basically start to see it take that crud off. I do have some hot water here. It is November. It is -1 degrees outside, so I don't have my hose on outside. It's probably be way easier to do in the summertime. But you can see how much that's already taken off just from that little bit of scrubbing. So these are 13-year-old rims that I clean them once in a while, but not that often. So you can start to see that stuff come off. And just trying to hit the tire too, just make sure any grease on it's gone. Basically, this rim is falling apart. It's got so much crap coming off on it, and that's cutting the grease out. Like, I probably haven't cleaned these rims in like 4 years. So that's 4 years worth of grime in Canada, which is salt, sleet. I've got my Canadian snowshoes on, but yeah, this stuff just throw a little bit more on there. It just cuts right through this. I don't know if it's brake dust, if it's grime, but a lot of it can be brake dust. But I think I bought this bottle for $30. I bought it for degreasing my mountain bike chain so that I can basically make sure that it's re-greased up properly. But it just cuts through this stuff. Like I said, I saw this on someone else's YouTube channel, and I thought they were just cleaning dirt off. This is grime. This is years of road gunk, but it's not perfect. Like, there's still some left down there because, again, I haven't cleaned these rims in forever. But you can start to see the parts of the rims down here that the chrome has come off it. It's so, these things are so old, and it's just taking that grease, grime, whatever the heck this crap is, off. So just thought I'd put it out there for anyone else. If they are having these same crap on their tires that they want to get rid of before they put their tires away for the winter. Again, simple green. It's a degreaser, cleaner, works absolutely amazing. All right, thanks guys.